Hey y'all, just wanted to pop on here real quick and let you know that we have a new Advent study up on the blog. It is designed for families and it can be used as a sort of Christmas school for the period between Thanksgiving and Christmas in your homeschool. So we have some special posts that are only visible to followers of the blog, so make sure you follow us on the blog there so you can get those links to resources that we are using to make this study go a little bit smoother in our home. If you like what you see, be sure to like the post, share it, follow the blog, and then subscribe here on our YouTube channel. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Thanks.